Hey y'all, I'm Hisha, the founder of the DIY Entrepreneurs and the lead facilitator for the Scale Up Sessions. With over 15 years of experience as a bookkeeper, starting with QuickBooks Desktop and now specializing in QuickBooks Online, I've helped small business owners set up and manage their QuickBooks systems. I also teach the fundamentals of QuickBooks Online for a local business accelerator program. That's why I created the Start to Scale program, to provide trusted and practical insights to help you get the most out of your QuickBooks Online system and set up your financial management system with confidence. Today, I'll be giving you a quick tour of the QuickBooks Online dashboard. So whether you're just getting started out or you're already familiar with the platform, understanding how to navigate the dashboard is key to managing your business finances within QuickBooks Online. The first thing you'll need to notice when you log in is the layout of the dashboard. On the left side, you'll see the navigational bar. This is where you have access to the key sections like banking, sales, and expenses. In the middle of the screen, you have your business overview, which is going to give you a snapshot of your financial health, showing you the cash flow, your profit and loss, and other important data. So now let's take a closer look at some of these key sections. First, we have banking. This is where you're going to link up your bank accounts and your credit cards, and you're going to be managing your transactions automatically once those things are connected. This helps you to keep track of all the money that's coming in and out of your business from those accounts. Next, there's the sales section. This is where you're going to create and manage your invoices. You're going to be tracking your payments, and you're going to see what's still outstanding for your business, who you're still waiting on payment from. Lastly, we have the expenses, and this is where you're going to track your business spending. You're going to categorize transactions, and you'll see a clear breakdown of where your money is going. You're also able to customize the dashboard. You can customize the dashboard to fit your business needs. So you can arrange sections based on what's most important to you in your business. For example, if tracking cash flow is a priority for you, you can move that section up. You can also customize the reports that you want to see on your dashboard, and you can add shortcuts to the tools that you use frequently. Customizing your dashboard ensures that the most relevant information is always front and center, which helps you to save time and focus on the things that matters for your business. Understanding the QuickBooks Online dashboard is the first step toward using QuickBooks Online to manage your business finances. I also include a free download, which is the first chapter of our setup guide. This is going to give you a clear picture with snapshots and screenshots of every section of your dashboard so that you can be a little bit more knowledgeable as you start to go in and set up things for your business. So with the clear view of your business overview, the key sections of the dashboard, and where you will go in and start to personalize your dashboard, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips to start to manage your financial business. If you're ready to take it further and fully optimize your QuickBooks Online system, join us for our QuickBooks Online Scale Up sessions. This is where we'll guide you step by step through the entire setup process, and you'll have access to me as regularly as you need it to help set up and make sure your setup is correct, instead of spending the setup fees that you will pay a CPA or another bookkeeper to do. You're going to be stepping out in faith and setting up your QuickBooks Online yourself with the proper guidance and the know-how to be confident in your setup process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was useful to you as you set up your QuickBooks Online system.